Hey YouTube, it's Zion Prepper here, and I'm going to show you how to join two ropes together. And many of you know how to do it, but it is a prepper requirement to understand how to do this, just in case you have to. I have the rope on the right, which is nylon, and the rope on the left is paracord. And what I want to do is I want to join them together, and I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. The first is the sheet bend. So I'm going to take my nylon rope, which is the bigger of the two, in my left hand, take my paracord, which is in my right hand, and I want to make one rope. And so what I'm going to do is make a bend, or just simply bend over the nylon on my left hand, make a loop, and then in my right hand I'm going to take my paracord up through that loop. So there you see I'm going up through that loop. Now I need to go around that loop, and you can see I'm going to go around. Oh, and I lost it, no big deal. Make the loop again. Go around. Now I'm going to go around the bottom. Before it was the top, now I'm going around the bottom. And what I'm going to do is now take that rope and put it through the loop that was created when I went up through that loop and around the top. So I'm going to put it through the loop, grab the end of it. Yep, here I'll show you again. Yep, there. Put it through that loop, grab it, and I'm going to snug it up. And you snug it real tight, and what you have is two ropes now joined into one rope, and that's what the knot looks like there. Now I'm going to show you what happens a little bit slower as how this knot works. As you pull that rope, you'll see that the top tightens. What it's doing is putting tension around that loop, and when that tension is put around that loop, it actually cinches up, makes it tighter, and it's a very, very durable loop, or knot for joining two ropes together. Okay, here we go. We're going to do the infamous square knot, and that's also another tying knot. So you take the rope in each of your hands, you go right over left, so you take the right hand rope over the left hand rope. Now you take the left hand rope over the right hand rope. So right hand over the left hand over the right hand. And what you'll have is a square knot. You can see I'm pointing that out there. And it's somewhat awkward when you're joining a big rope like that nylon with that little paracord, but it does very well. It won't slip. Paracord has a very non-frictionless outer coating, and it will slip, so be careful. Right over left, I'm doing it with just paracord, so right over left, left over right as you go through, left over right, and we're going to go through that loop we created right there. You see my thumb is going through it, and now you snug it up, and there you have it. It's a square knot. Zion Prepper saying thanks for watching. You should probably know these knots. I'm sorry, you'll never know when you'll need them. Have a good day.